Hey, how you doing? Austin here. I'm not a financial advisor. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Dogecoin. We're going to talk about our beloved Doge. We are actually moving up. We're in the positive. We're in the green. I think I have a reason for it. I've found a very interesting piece of article that has to do with whales moving their Doge and how we might be returning to some semblance of normalcy. Normalcy. There's your word for the day. So we're going to talk about that. We're going to look at the chart. We're going to look at a trading view chart and look at the overall kind of state of the union around Dogecoin and just kind of see what is going on. And hopefully, guys, this is the beginning of kind of a return to normalcy. That's a weird word. Return to normalcy and kind of moving forward. We're getting money coming back into the overall crypto market. The overall crypto market's turning green, etc. We're going to talk about that as well. Here we go. So as I mentioned, we're at 30 cents. Yay. I'm more excited about that than I sound. We're up 1.55%. Volume is still down a little bit, guys, at 10.58%. We've got to get some more volume coming back in. Let me show you where that is. If you look at this chart, the gray bar down here is the volume chart. You can see really for the last 5 to 6 days, that volume has really been flat, okay, and not really doing a lot. That really is the overall volume of money leaving the overall crypto market, okay? So volume has been flat for most of the major cryptos, etc. Although cards on the table, I haven't gone and looked at Bitcoin this morning, specifically looking at volume. But you had this kind of when the overall, when Doge, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all of them are down, the volume is flat. We just need more volume to come back in, i.e. either more existing holders buying more and or new retail money and or institutional money coming in. Okay, so that's kind of a volume scenario. We're still sitting at 7 in the overall market position. Let me show you kind of the overall crypto market. Let me refresh this real quick. You can see what my point is that if you look at kind of Bitcoin, Ethereum, they're in the last 24 hours, they're up just a little bit. Hey, it's better than red. For the last couple of days, we've been looking at these columns and really been kind of in the red and just not really doing a whole heck of a lot. You can see right here, Dogecoin is up 1.61 in the last 24 hours and up a little bit in the last hour. My gut is that this will continue to move in a positive way. Let me show you this article I found over on Yahoo Finance. Whales tired of Dogecoin, ? Daily transactions value down 93% in under a month. Okay, so following the record high activity right here, large Dogecoin holders, whales, finally decided to take a breather and stop moving great quantities of the cryptocurrency. What happened? According to BitInfo charts, Dogecoin average transaction value fell sharply by nearly 80% from a high of 1.16 million on Sunday to under $240,000 3 days later. Such a high transaction value was a clear sign that a large chunk of activity on the network was overtaken by whales. Okay. Furthermore, BitInfo charts shows that the value of Dogecoin sent via on-chain transactions peaked at $82 billion on May 5, significantly higher than Bitcoin's $35 billion and Ethereum's $12 billion. Crazy. Wow. Think about that. This is a growth of nearly 350,000% compared to daily transaction values of 10 million reported in December. Okay, still, right here highlighted, the situation now apparently seems to be returning slowly to normal. Okay, this Wednesday, Dogecoin processed under $5 billion worth of daily transactions, 93% down from the all-time high. Dogecoin took everyone by surprise when it saw two-digit gains multiple times. Blah, 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 blah. Let me see. Yeah, this is talking about the market cap and things like that. Okay, my point to you is that we seem to have the whales are chilling a little bit, okay, and which seems to be a positive thing and kind of moving on to maybe some sense in the green. Still, the situation is now apparently slowly returning to normal. Okay, so that's a good thing. Okay, let's take a look at the overall kind of trading view chart scenario. I did a trading view the other day, and I'm going to continue to kind of layer these in. Right here, this bottom blue line is our support line, basically held up by these kind of two touch points here. You can see that we had a nice little channel developing right here. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Well, I don't want to mark this, I don't want to screw up my pretty graph here, but it was right in here and right in here. And then we did Where's my little thing? I'm still getting used to TradingView. I used to use another app, but I've moved everything over to TradingView. Then we were doing cool. We were doing great. We were like, all right, we're heading up, and then this happened. Kind of looks similar to this, and I'm doing this for a reason. I'll point something out, guys. And this, and this. I want to show you guys something. Everything I've highlighted. What I want to show you is, see these large candles right here, how the middle part is really, really big. Large candle, large candle, large down. Large candles all the way up in here. Now, this also happens in the greens. Large candle right here. And see how we got large candles here? And not as big, but right in here. I've known about this for a little while, but this was kind of confirmed by Guy over at Coin Bureau. By the way, huge fan. Giving a shout out to him. One of the best crypto channel, not the best crypto channel in my opinion, here on YouTube. I love him. I watch his content. He is amazing. But what he mentioned, and I knew about it, but he really clarified it, is that these large candles you see here, guys, is institutional buying and selling. Okay, said another way, it's large institutions selling their Doge and or buying their Doge. And I have done numerous videos on this where I talked about the fact that I firmly believe that we had some situations playing out with the Wyckoff method where large institutional buying and selling was trying to basically kind of separate us from our Bitcoin, our Ethereum, our Dogecoin, etc. And this is evidenced right here by large institutional selling. Basically they buy, then they sell off, right? And then they buy it again, and then then they start to buy it, they sell off. They want to buy low, sell high. Okay. All right. My point is a lot of manipulation going on here. I firmly believe that. And in the overall markets happened, Bitcoin, Ethereum as well, and it impacted Doge. Okay. So where are we at? Where are we headed? It certainly looks like we're starting to uptick towards the positive. And so our next resistance level is that right here. Literally, it's not very far away. It's at 31 cents. That's kind of where I set this next resistance level, kind of where we had some touches here. We've got to get back up to that 31 cents level, and then I think we can get back above that. As long as we continue to break above that, we should be fine. Continue to move up. Again, we will see how it plays out. I think we've got an overall situation developing where we're starting to get some money coming back. If money comes back in and volume comes back in, we should start to see Doge rise again and start to kind of move up. There you go. We're up 2.5. Hey, all I got to do is do a video and this bad boy goes up. You guys know I'm kidding, all right? But if you look at our 24-hour low and high, we're at 21 and 31 respectively. We're sitting right now almost at our 24-hour high, 2.6. It's just going to keep going up as long as I stay on video. I'll just start streaming, guys, and I'll just stream all day. I'll just leave my computer on stream, even when I'm not here. I'm kidding, of course. You guys know that, okay? So what are some major scenarios out there that are catalysts? We all know what they are, okay? We got Coinbase coming. Oh, I wanted to show you this. We got Coinbase coming, and this is kind of cool. I found this over on Twitter, and I just had to show you this time. So stay focused, stay positive. Why to buy and hold a Doge? New software update, Coinbase implementation. I was going to talk about that. We got Coinbase coming. Coinbase coming very, very near future. Probably now we're 5 to 7 weeks, give or take, in that somewhere. I firmly believe that we're going to have maybe again have a run up to Coinbase. So we could definitely start to have a run up to Coinbase. Now I will tell you guys, remember what happened in Saturday Night Live. Yes, I know Coinbase is nothing like Saturday Night Live, but what I'm talking about is where we run up on the news and we sell at the event. That happened with SNL. We ran up, we started and we continued to run up. And when SNL happened, we had a sell off, okay? We hit like 70 cents or whatever it was, and we sold off to about the 50 cent level, held there. And then we had China-geddon, and again, market manipulation right in here. That's all that stuff going on in that time frame. Blah, you can tell I'm not excited. That just, okay, irritates me. But we've also got, look, we got, Robinhood wallet release coming soon. People could actually spend their Doge, things like that. We got the launch of the rocket. Remember that company used Dogecoin to basically buy, to put the satellite on. Tesla accepting Dogecoin as payment. I've got Dogecoin on the literal moon. I love that. But here's the funny thing. You can kind of laugh and smile about that. But the minute that happens, as an example, or some variation on that, or something like Dogecoin in space, the media will cover it. The media will talk about it, and people will go, "Oh yeah, Dogecoin. Got to get me some of that," right? I mean, let's just say what it is, okay? Possible move from proof of work to proof of stake. Yes, please. That would be awesome. Biggest and best community. All right, so we've got some really pretty cool stuff, and then I have to end. I've got to end on a funny note here. Where's this guy? Where's this at? Hold on, just a minute. I got to show this to you. If you haven't seen this, hold on. Where is it at? Hold on. Okay, I can't find it. Okay, but there was a post in here. Let me refresh it. There was a post on the Dogecoin Reddit forum that talked about basically it was like, oh, there it is right there. I missed it. I overlooked. Look at this. I would like to remind everyone that we need to keep a close eye on this, guys. When you're $1, keep your promises. This guy said, if Doge hits $1, I'm going to shove a whole bag of jelly beans up my butt. All right, come on. You got to laugh. I'm going to end on that note. That is so funny. All right, guys, and hope you enjoyed the video. I'll see you down the road. See you in the next one. Bye.